there, I'm Karissma Yve, the founder of Gildform and the mind behind some of the most iconic jewelry pieces you've seen on the big screen and the fashion runway. I've been blessed to live a dream that many deem impossible. But here's the secret. It's not just about the glitz and glamour. It's about the strategy, the passion, and the drive to create something truly unique. With Gildform, I've worked with thousands of creators, helping them turn their visions into reality. And today, I want to share that magic with you. Introducing Start a Six-Figure Jewelry Brand in 30 Days course, a step-by-step blueprint to launching your dream jewelry brand, even if you're starting from scratch and with a limited budget. This isn't just another course, it's transformation. I'll take you behind the scenes, revealing the exact strategies I use to partner with brands like Chanel and Marvel. The same strategies that landed me features in Forbes and honors like Forbes 30 Under 30 in the manufacturing and industry category. From ringing the closing bell at NASDAQ with the Forbes CEO to being featured alongside icons like Meg Thee Stallion, I've been on an incredible journey. And now I want to take you on yours. Enroll today and you'll also get exclusive bonuses that will supercharge your brand's growth, from post-purchase email templates to a special discount on your very first Gildform production order. I've got you covered. Are you ready to shine, to create, to inspire, to build a legacy? Join me and let's make your dream jewelry brand a reality.